Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is, the JJ. You know, we're back at like adding no rehab, because you know, you can give me guys advice. Still waiting on my stabilizer to come, but we just picked up this Cobalt 06, some one of the year Cobalt. It had like 200,000 miles on it. Picked it up for 655 altogether. It was like 400, but it's like 655 altogether because it's transported. Yeah, where's my key at? Take it for a spinneroni. Yeah, it's a 2000. It's very, very dirty. Luckily, it got a seat cover that I can sit on. They got any other change in here? Got another quarter that I can go vacuum it out. I ain't gonna vacuum it out, but I'm gonna take that though. But I'm gonna leave that in there though for the person who buys it. They can have them. What year is it? 2007. Check. Well, them tires is bald as they can get. They got some oil on the hood, so maybe they got some oil in it. Oil is really down there. It needs some oilage. Need some oil. Okay, so need an oil change. Let's see. That tire is shot. That tire is shot. This one got tread, but it's like they didn't ran it flat a couple times because now it's got that on there, so that's probably not no good. So I'll probably have to replace that. And then we got that one, no good either. So we got 4 bad tires on there. 4 tremendously bad tires. So I'm already not expecting the best. So we already know we gotta get tires, oil change, detail. Okay, no service lights. No service lights. Got a lot of change in here, a lot of pennies. We're gonna go scoop those up. All right, let's see. Gotta see if we got a transmission up in this thing. This bad boy we know. Okay, so it's missing a little center thing too. Tires are shot. You can already feel that. So if the tires are shot, that means it's probably something. Dang, it's dirty, boy. Got a whole box of pizza in there. Got a whole box of little. Boy, just got the Tide Pods. Like how you pull up and be like, oh yeah, I'm gonna go look at the car and I got a whole little Caesar's pizza in my passenger side. All right, let's just be careful because these tires are shot. Transmission. Get 50 pretty smooth. Didn't ride like as rough as I thought it was. Didn't ride as bad as I thought it was. With how bad these tires is. So I mean, overall, 203,000 miles. Solid. Solid little Cobalt. Gonna need a detail. Gonna need 4 tires. 4 tires in the detail. I ain't fixing that paint job. We got some red and black seat covers though to put on there though. So once they clean it up, I got some red and black seat covers with some red and black hubcaps. So yeah, you know, they ain't gonna look fresh. I'll show y'all the red and black seat covers and hubcaps though. I don't know if I still. No front end damage. No front end damage. Just very dirty car. Let's take the paint job's feeling. Look at that. They even got Cobalt on the side. Get us a thumbnailage. Go get us some tires, oil change. It's a pretty easy car. I could change the oil on this myself. And I can go to AutoZone, use my little rewards and get the little $20 oil change, or I might take it to like one of them little corners. One of those. I take it around the corner to my buddy, but man, they didn't went up on that oil change. The oil change is like $50 now. I could just go to like one of those little places that hold those little signs out there and just get one of those $30 oil changes. 'Cause, you know, I think they're like $19.99 or something like that. Saw the faded paint. Solid little. Very dirty though. So, but that's gonna be on the detail job. So, like I said, we got some coins in there though. I even let the detail shop keep them coins because I ain't trying to mess with it. Let's see how the seats look under there. Okay, just look like some seats, some nasty old seats. Nasty old seats. Yeah, it's just dirty. But yeah, definitely need 4 tires. I know Wilson was asking me, do I have any like cheap cars? Because he's always got people looking for cars. So what I might actually do, I might not even fix nothing on it, really. I might just trade. I paid, cause I got a Jeep back there. I got a Jeep in the back that needs, Wilson quoted me like $900 to do the body work. So what I might do is see if Wilson maybe want to give me, see if he give me $200, $300. If you give me $200, $300 and then fix the body work on that car. So then it's like, I made a little bit of money and I got the, you know, I know he got to do the body work and I know this thing needs some tire in the detail. So I'm gonna see if he give me maybe $300-400. So that means I get basically my money back and I get that thing. Or I could just fix this car up and sell it. But you know, I could fix this car up and sell it for like $2,500. I can do that. Either way, it really don't make that big of a deal to me. I can sell it for $2. I can sell it probably for like, after the hubcaps and everything, I can get a solid $2. After the tires and everything, I can get a solid $2.22. So I'll probably do that. But I don't know. I always try to look out like for Wilson and stuff, cause I know I'll run across a cheap car all the time. I don't know. It's like the cheap cars, they just gravitate to me. They just gravitate to me. Like I'll be like cheap car. Boom, gravitation. It's just like, oh, JJ, we know you want a cheap car. We know you looking for a cheap car. But I mean, solid running car, no check engine light, just very, very dirty. So who knows? I might call Wilson just because it's always good to keep building that relationship with Wilson, because hey, if I can help him, you know, find him a cheap car where he don't have, like, where he can find a cheap car where he can turn around and sell it, you know, because I know he can go in here and make this thing look really better than what it is, because he can paint it up, you know, because he'll be doing all the work. So if he wants to like paint it up and make it like immaculate and then throw a detail on there, it's gonna really look way better. I don't know what you're doing, but I'm gonna head up out of here though. But yeah, we ain't got no check engine lights. It ain't shaking, it ain't all over the road or nothing like that. Solid car. Oh yeah, gotta find that little thing. But that's in the salvage. I can go grab that in the salvage yard. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. If you haven't already, you know, like this video, I'm out. Peace.